Howdy, with this video, I want to show Northeast State students how to find their username and their 9000 number to function on the campus. You need your username to get into D2L, your 9000 number to be able to help people get you into the system. So we're going to go to the Northeast State homepage. You can just Google that, and that's what it looks like. To find your username, we're going to get rid of this mess after the Northeast State URL and just type the word apply and hit enter. Then you're going to come down here. You don't need to worry about any of this. You're going to return to homepage. And we're going to come up here and right here under look up student ID/username. And then you'll put in the last 4 digits of your social security number, your first name and your last name. Then your username will come up here. Generally, it's going to be your first initial, all a part of your last name, and maybe a number. Just depends how popular your last name is. And your student ID number is going to be a 9000 number, just kind of random digits. But it's very important that you memorize that as soon as possible, because when you go to like admissions and say, "Hey, I'm Joe Smith," they're going to ask for your 9000 number just right off the bat. That's your student identification number. It is not your password. It is your student identification number. Okay, because once you know your username, you're going to try to get into D2L, hopefully. And again, we're going to go to the Northeast State homepage, and there's different ways to get to this point. But we're going to click on My Northeast. That's where your records are located. And your username is right there. I don't think students have to do their email. If it is, it's stumail.northeaststate.edu. With your username in front of that. But your password is your birthday in 6 digits. I've already changed mine, that's why I'm typing so much. Then it's going to prompt you, for the first time, it's going to get you to get a confirmation message through your phone. Then it's going to ask you to do another verification technique. I strongly recommend the using the question. And if you need to go back and change things, you can go to settings and you can add a security question. If you don't use a security question, that's going to keep sending that code to your phone. It's going to drive you nuts. And if you don't have your phone or you left it in your car and you're in class, you're not going to be able to get into the system. So definitely do the security question. I do the phone number. There's different ways to do it. Those are the 2 I recommend. But once you get that set up, you're going to see all these different apps here where you have Office 365, you have your student email, that My Northeast, that's where your grades are going to be. That's how you add and drop classes and things like that. And of course, here's D2L. That's where your course is going to be located. And you'll just click on D2L. And you should see a listing of your courses for the semester. And you'll just click on that class to get into that particular course in D2L. Very important, make sure you check your email outside of D2L. You just click on this little envelope thing. If you're inside a class, you click on the envelope, you'll only see emails from that particular course. So you won't see emails from all your other instructors if you're inside a course and you click the envelope. But that's how you get into D2L. I hope that helps a little bit. Thank you very much.